On the eve of the Pakistan Day, the illegally detained chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Musarrat Alam Butt, along with the other Hurriyat leaders and organizations, have extended their warm congratulations to the people and the government of Pakistan, praying for the nation's continued progress, stability, and prosperity. In a message from the notorious Tihar jail in New Delhi, Musarrat Alam Butt expressed solidarity with the people of Pakistan. Senior National Conference leader and the Indian parliamentarian Agha Sayyid Ruhollah Mehdi has called on the Indian government to prioritize the release of over 5,000 Kashmiri youth currently detained in Srinagar. Ruhollah Mehdi expressed that many of these detainees are either under trial or have been held without any trial. Indian forces have arrested 3 Kashmiri youth in the Kathua district under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act. The arrest occurred during a cordon and search operation in the Lohai area of Kathua. 25-year-old Muslim youth was found dead under mysterious circumstances in the Samba district. The body was found near a railway line in the Saror area of the Bari Brahmana, and the deceased has been identified as Raja Ibrar Khan, a resident of the Sarola area of the Manchkot, Rajouri. Pakistani flags have been hoisted in Srinagar and other parts of the occupied Kashmir, greeting Pakistan government and its people on the Pakistan Day, the March 23rd. Pakistani flags and the posters have been displayed to celebrate 23rd March, the Pakistan Day in the occupied territory. President of the Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir, Tariq Hamid Karra, has announced the launch of a 6-day statehood restoration movement starting from 24th March. Karra, in a meeting with the party officials in Jammu, announced that the Jammu and Kashmir Pradesh Congress Committee will launch Hamari Riyasat, Hamara Haq movement to demand the restoration of statehood to occupied Kashmir. 2 Indian Army personnel were killed under mysterious circumstances in the Leh district of the Ladakh region. The deceased troops have been identified as Havaldar Kishore Bara and Sipahi Suraj Kumar.